over 10,000 cryptocurrencies already available for trading or investing. Picking the best cryptocurrency options can be very difficult, especially for beginners. Every day, dozens or even hundreds of new cryptocurrencies are put into circulation. As a result, there are already more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies in existence overall. In reality, the vast majority of these won't accomplish anything. Those who succeed are likely to post incredible returns, making their initial investor a stupid billionaire. Based on all types of cryptocurrencies, we'll go over 10 of the best cryptocurrencies that you can get right away before their prices skyrocket in the near future. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 10. Sandbox. In the Sandbox, a digital metaverse, users can create, own, and sell their virtual experiences. On this user-generated platform, anyone can build and profit from the metaverse. The native utility token of the Sandbox, SAND, may be used to create asset tokens, purchase and sell assets, and participate in land transactions inside its ecosystem. SAND may also be used as a part of user-generated content in the context of a wider ecosystem. Number 9. Cardano. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that was built on the principles of evidence-based design and peer-reviewed research. Instead of printing Cardano, the network chooses validators according on how many ADA coins they own. If picked to validate the block's transactions, they bet on how confident they are in their capacity to do so. When a validator block is verified, the blockchain wins the bet and receives ADA tokens as payment. Cardano is a rapidly growing blockchain network and one of the most highly valued digital assets currently available, according to Andy Rosen of NerdWallet. This makes it a smart investment. The Cardano community is additionally active and powerful, and the project's developers have a substantial Twitter following. The network effect that followed made its holders exclusive. Number 8. Chainlink. In order to enable smart contracts to displace other types of digital payment, Chainlink, according to CoinMarketCap, uses a decentralized Oracle network to facilitate secure communication between blockchains and external data feeds, events, and payment choices. One factor in Chainlink's favor, according to Benzinga, is a strategic partnership with Google, under which Google uses Chainlink's protocol to connect users to its cloud services. The project is advised by former Alphabet chairman Eric Schmidt, DocuSign co-founder Tom Gonser, and former LinkedIn CEO Jeff Weiner, according to Securities.io. The decentralized finance company Truflation has adopted Chainlink as the basis for their new inflation index in place of the consumer price index. In contrast to the CPI, which measures inflation using survey data, the Truflation index will combine price data and the CPI's calculation method. Number 7. Avalanche. Avalanche is a brand new, Layer 1, blockchain, according to Binance, that improves the fundamental protocol to maximize system scalability. It was developed as an Ethereum competitor by Ava Labs and computer scientists at Cornell University. One of them, former Professor Emin Gun Surer, has a lengthy background in cryptographic research, according to CoinMarketCap. With Avalanche's 3 independent blockchains, Transactions may be validated autonomously, unlike Ethereum, where each node is required to confirm each transaction. Avalanche is hence more scalable and able to manage enormous transaction volumes, up to 6,500 per second. According to US News, it consequently enjoys growing appeal among Ethereum projects. Regarding the coin itself, Bloomberg reports that on April 7, Avalanche beat out Ether as Terra's reserve currency for its own UST stablecoin. As part of that endeavor, the nonprofit Luna Foundation Guard, which supports Terra, intended to spend $100 million on materials. Number 6. Polygon. Polygon was developed by a group of programmers who made significant contributions to the Ethereum blockchain platform. Polygon is intended for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development, according to CoinMarketCap. As a Layer 2 solution, it transforms Ethereum into a multi-chain system, accelerating transaction and verification times. Polygon is supported by the cryptocurrency exchanges Binance and Coinbase. For settlement currency, transaction fees, and payment services, it uses the Matic token. On July 20, Polygon announced the availability of Polygon ZK EVM, describing it as the first Ethereum similar scaling solution that works smoothly with all existing smart contracts, developer tools, and wallets. This is done using zero-knowledge proofs, a form of encryption that lowers transaction costs and increases throughput. Number 5. Decentraland. If you've been paying attention to the cryptocurrency industry for a while, we don't need to introduce you to Decentraland. Mana is the name of the native cryptocurrency of this fast-growing metaverse, which became well-known last year. Mana is now on sale for $0.798. This is a significant decrease from the peak price of $5.90 that was reached in November 2021. We believe that as a result of future partnerships and integrations, the price of Mana will keep up with Decentraland's growth and development. The inclusiveness of the metaverse is demonstrated through initiatives like Decentraland. It brings together people, businesses, and technological advancements to create a dynamic metaverse that offers a view into the future. The decentralized metaverse idea has gained widespread acceptance thanks in large part to the blockchain-based virtual reality platform. Tokenized virtual land parcels are created to maintain an open ownership record. Number 4. Solana. Solana is the smart contract platform that is growing the fastest. With one of the busiest crypto ecosystems, it is expected that over the next few months, the price of SOL tokens will reach all-time highs. Similar to the pricing of the majority of other cryptocurrencies, Solana token prices are currently significantly reduced, trading more than 85% below their all-time high. But Solana has already proven to be resilient, and because of this, we rank the best cryptocurrencies based on their potential. Future SOL token value increase is projected to be assisted by Solana's increasing ecosystem, partnerships with more on- and off-chain businesses, a reviving cryptocurrency market, and growing investor interest in the brand. Most analysts believe that over the next 5 years, SOL token prices will rise by 5,000%. The future value rise of Solana is also expected to be influenced by a resurgent cryptocurrency market, increased adoption of cryptocurrency technology, and growing investor interest in the platform for smart contracts. Number 3. Binance Coin. Binance Coin's price took off at the beginning of 2021, soaring from about $38 on that year's January 1st to an all-time high of $683 in May, after years of, at least by cryptocurrency standards, relatively stable pricing. Due to its performance throughout time, Binance Coin has established itself as one of the most reliable investment possibilities. Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, according to CoinMarketCap. It is the native coin on Binance US, the version that users from the United States must use. Despite the coin's extensive functionality and its success in Binance's subsidiary initiatives, it is still an extremely unpredictable investment. Investors who frequently trade should be advised that Binance just temporarily stopped accepting deposits and withdrawals for a number of networks, including Polygon and Solana, in order to carry out improvements. Airdrops are awards based on a fraction of customers' deposits, and the most recent one, which occurred on April 8, had no effect on them. Number 2. Ethereum. On the Ethereum network, programmers can create their own cryptocurrency and use it to implement smart contracts. Despite having a far lower valuation than Bitcoin, Ethereum is far ahead of its competitors. It was introduced years after some other cryptocurrencies, but because of its unique technology, it has fared significantly better than expected. It is currently the most popular blockchain and the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Once an innovation known as the merge is fully implemented, it may advance significantly more. With the August upgrade, Ethereum will switch to a proof-of-stake consensus, which will reduce the number of tokens and eliminate the need for mining. The merge should greatly reduce Ethereum's energy consumption. According to Fortune, ETH prices increased by nearly 50% in the last 2 weeks of July in anticipation of the upgrade. Even though Ether is less well-known than Bitcoin, more established companies are using it. Number 1. Bitcoin. The longest existing cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which is also the oldest. It is obvious why it is the market leader with a price and market cap that are much higher than any other cryptocurrency investment options. Given that so many businesses already accept it as payment, Bitcoin is a wise investment. Visa, for instance, accepts Bitcoin payments. Additionally, Stripe will finally let users take Bitcoin payments after a 4-year sabbatical from cryptocurrencies. Even the most significant banks have begun to incorporate Bitcoin transactions into their offerings. Tesla only used Bitcoin for a small period of time, but if mining becomes more environmentally friendly, it might do so again. The dropping interest rates and rising inflation in the traditional markets opened our eyes to the immense potential of cryptocurrencies. Since monetary policy cannot directly affect cryptocurrencies, investors diversified their portfolios by adding cryptocurrency. Naturally, their preferred pick for a passive investment in the online space is Bitcoin. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.